Never would I have thought that sitting in an outdoor mall eating lunch by myself would be the most luxurious activity of all time. Yet here I am without the kids. Today was a series of errands back to back, and it was a constant readjustment of the order in which I was going to do these things. So I dropped off my wife with the car. I went to get the car checked. I had to return a car seat at Target, and I got hungry, and so I decided to stop off for a little burger. And at each step of the way, I thought about the order in which these things needed to happen. And of course, had I gone to get a lot of the groceries that I'm about to get after I eat too soon, they would have sat in the car, and today's pretty hot, and it would have just kind of baked and wouldn't have been too good for the groceries. Constant readjustment of the order, and it made me think how knowing the order and knowing the impact that the order has on the results is actually quite important, and allowed me to have the most luxurious day possible. Of course, in Excel, there's something very much equivalent to this. Order of operations, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This is the math order of operations, but Excel also adopts this order. And the really key piece there is the parentheses. That'll force certain things to happen before anything else. And it's the main thing that you use if you want to kind of ensure certain calculations get done. So knowing how and when to use that is really important. Also, don't overuse it. If the calculation is working the way you want it to without parentheses, don't just add parentheses. It's a little sloppy, inefficient, and just unnecessary. It's harder to read. So knowing how that works is super helpful. Please use parentheses with caution and carefully, and enjoy knowing the order in which things are supposed to happen.